everyone, I'm Shauna. Welcome to my channel. In this video, I would like to share an Ulta Beauty haul with you. I've got, most of what I have is from in-store. I've got some things from online. Before we get started, please like and subscribe. Now, Ulta is offering curbside pickup now. So you can place your order online. When you get outside, you call, they load your trunk, you drive off. So it's great. So without further ado, let's see what I got. I had to pick up another Clinique line smoothing concealer. I use the color Deep, and I love this stuff. It's like you can't even see it. I use like the entire Clinique skincare line, but I was running low on that. And then I got some more eyeliner, Loreal, because I love my eyeliner. I got a bunch of lipsticks. Now, I actually did get Revlon this time because it was on sale. And I'm curious about this one. It's called Glaring Coral. Let's see how it looks. Okay, I guess it looks alright. You guys comment and let me know if you like it. But I got a few different shades. I got So Sleek Pink and Black Cherry. And it feels really moisturizing too. So that's great. I got Batiste Instant Hair Refresh. And you guys, I love this stuff. Waterless shampoo. I usually get, the one I usually get is like pineapple. This one is blush. I got blush. Now this does leave like a white residue, but just like brush your hair and it comes out. But I also tried something a little different this time. I got the colored one, Divine Dark, and I don't know if it'll be dark enough, but this is for like when I'm on the go and I want to, I don't know, freshen. Maybe I've been sweating. I would say at the gym, but gym's not really a thing anymore, right? Because of the pandemic. But so it will leave a brown residue instead of a white residue, so I'm curious about that. I am going to try Pattern by Tracee Ellis Ross. I got the curl gel and the hydrating mist. So I've been wanting to try this. So I'll let you guys know how that works out. These were $9 a piece. Also, I picked up some Recovery Gold Hydrogel Under Eye Patch. And they're like aloe vera and cucumber. And I like these. You can't see it, but they're metallic golds. So I think that'll look kind of cool. The metallic gold. So we'll see. So I got 2 of those. And then I also picked up a travel laundry bag. Not that I'm doing much traveling these days, but I used to. And once this pandemic is over, I will again, hopefully. So it's really cute. It's like a light pink, and it unzips into a larger bag. So I definitely need that because I usually just like put my dirty articles in like a grocery bag while I'm traveling. I picked up a, what is this? Viktor Rolf Bon Bon Eau de Perfume gift set, and this was only $20. The packaging is so cute. I've never smelled this one. Let's see if I can get it out of here. Look how cute that is. Like a little bow. I've been curious about this one. It smells nice. Kind of I don't really know what I'm smelling. Floral, I think. So you get the Eau de Perfume, and then you get a mini body lotion. So I got that, and that was only $20. Then some randoms. I got some hair towels. I love these. These are called Turbo Twist. I got 2. I actually got 4 total. So you just wrap these. They're perfect because when you're doing your makeup and you wrap your hair up when it's wet. Oh my gosh, they're wonderful. And this one's like an animal print and then a gray. So I got two packs. And then you guys, I have psoriasis, so I get like really, really dry skin. So I got CeraVe healing ointment. And it protects and soothes dry, cracked, and chafed skin. It's like a skin protectant. Yeah, and this is literally like an ointment. And it doesn't smell like anything. So I'm going to try that. Another thing I'm going to try is an exfoliating scalp scrub by Love Beauty and Planets. Smells kind of, it's charcoal and bergamot. And you can smell the bergamot. But I'm going to try that because the psoriasis gives me like, I get like dandruff and everything. So I think a sulfate-free shampoo scrub. So I am definitely going to try that. No parabens, no dyes. It's vegan and cruelty-free, and I love that. And then I'm also going to try Love Beauty and Planet. It's a scalp serum. And it's got hemp seed oil and nana leaf. Oh, it smells like lavender. Slight medicinal smell, but mostly lavender. So that's a hemp seed oil for your scalp. And then I also got the Body Shop, the banana body butter. Oh, I love this. See, it smells like banana, like an artificial banana, like fruity banana. Oh, and I love their body butter. It's the best. It is a little greasy, but you know, if you have dry skin, I don't mind that too much. So, and this is great for your hands too. With as much as we're washing our hands these days, kind of need body butter just for your hands. And then I picked up face masks, 20 in a pack, and it's like this really, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like a peach color. And they had some other ones too online, but they were out of stock. They had like animal print, I think, and like gray, but I thought those were really cute. And I think you can get a filter in them. Let's see. No, you can't put a filter in them. So they're like the basic, like the hospital ones, only they're peach. So they're a little bit more fashionable. And it's so crazy that face masks may be part of our daily routines now for the foreseeable future. Who knows? And last but not least, I got a scrunchie. I gave in. This one is like black and it's like a houndstooth print, velvety, crushed velvet. And I'm going to try this. You know, I remember the 90s. I said I will not wear scrunchies again, but they're everywhere. So, yeah, I picked up a scrunchie. So, thank you so much for spending the past few minutes with me. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And as always, I pray that you and your families are safe and well, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.